In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine first and last name in Excel 2026. Step by step. If you have a worksheet with first names in one column and last names in another, combining them into a full name is quick and easy. In this tutorial, we'll use a simple Excel formula with the ampersand operator, which is one of the most common ways to join text together. To get started, open Excel and go to the worksheet where your names are stored. You should have the first name in one cell and the last name in the cell next to it. For example, the first name might be in cell A2 and the last name in cell B2. Now click the cell where you want the full name to appear. This is the cell that will display the combined result. Make sure you choose the correct row so the formula pulls from the matching first and last name cells. Once that cell is selected, type in the formula equals A2 ampersand space in quotation marks ampersand B2. Written out, the formula is equals A2, then an ampersand, then a space inside quotation marks, then another ampersand, and finally B2. The reason for the space in quotation marks is to place a visible space between the first name and the last name. Without it, Excel would join both names together with no gap. In this formula, A2 represents the first name and B2 represents the last name. The ampersand symbol tells Excel to combine the text from those cells into one result. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately display the full name in that selected cell. This lets you confirm that the formula is working correctly before applying it to the rest of your list. If you need to combine names for multiple rows, you don't have to type the formula again and again. Instead, copy the formula by using the fill handle. Move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula, then drag it downward through the other rows. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, which saves time and helps prevent mistakes. That's all it takes to combine first and last names in Excel using the ampersand operator. It's fast, simple, and very useful when you're organizing contact list reports or any spreadsheet with separate name fields.